Before we start, a quick mention for the Broadmoor Sirens. This was a network of 13 sirens located in nearby towns near the Broadmoor Secure Hospital. They were installed in the 1950s to warn residents of an escape. The Mr. Matt and MrChay channel has dozens of videos visiting each location and filming most of the sirens sounding. The State Hospital near Carstairs is another high security hospital with a very similar siren setup compared to Broadmoor. This is in Scotland in the UK. There are 9 siren locations and 2 types of siren. To start with, Mr. Matt is travelling from Edinburgh to the first siren location in CLIMPY. This siren has been designated as SIREN A in the Mr. Matt and MrChay siren hunt. After finding the siren, if you want to see the entire journey to the next siren, then keep watching. Else, go straight to the next video.
In 0.8 of a mile, turn left at exit 4. Turn left at exit 4 now. In 1/4 mile, keep left onto A801. Keep left now. In 0.3 of a mile, turn right onto Main Street. Make a sharp left turn now.
Oh, everything goes flying around in the back.
Proceed 3 miles on the current road to your destination.
To the siren. You mean? Reminds me of Bracknell, this place, but with less buildings. Windmill County, this is. My God, look at all the windmills! I'm going to pull over and get a little bit of video of this. It's weird, it's just like windmills everywhere. Bit of wind over there. Strange. Alright, let's go. We've got sirens to find. Next one. Four minutes. Ooh. Imagine someone escaping from this hospital. It's like just open land, pylons and wind farms. I think it's down here somewhere. Fourth. I wonder if there's a fifth. I imagine it's down here somewhere. Now, I have seen all these locations on Google Maps, but there's 9 of them and I can't quite remember this one. We may have gone past it. Yeah, I think we have. No, I think we've gone past it. Let's park up and try and find it. Right, I think I know where it is. There is an industrial estate on the right hand side here somewhere, and it's in there. There it is! It's right in front of us. Drove past it. Look at that! There it is. The first siren! That's a monster! Big old siren. Or maybe it's just because I've not seen one up close. I haven't got MrChay to do the postcodes this time. So here's my siren hunt. Not quite as elaborate as the other siren hunt page, but we have done Siren A, Siren B. No fingerprints. Well, there are now because it's touchscreen.
As before, if you want to see the entire journey to the next siren, then keep watching. Else, go straight to the next video. Thanks for watching.
8 Echo Yankee. 8 Echo Yankee. How far? This is... it's inside a primary school. Okay. That one. There we go. Set as destination. How far?
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto Tinto View and then turn right.
Okay. Next siren. Goodbye, Siren A.
706.
Cool. Next one.
Turn right.
No way! No way! Oh, you were going to come first, I think. Oh, for goodness sake. Not stuck behind another juggernaut. Look at the countryside. I mean, I'm not really one for like countryside and walks and all that sort of stuff and admiring cows and stuff, but it's quite nice, isn't it?
4/10 of a mile, make a slight left turn onto Bog Road.
And what do? They stick some sirens everywhere in the towns. That's shifting, that lorry. We have 2 miles left.
Left turn now.
Oh no!
Proceed 2 miles on the current
Well,
road.
I'm going to pretend. Oh no, I've got the wrong address. Sorry. It's a bit rude of me, but we're on a siren hunt here. No time for messing around. This way.
Make a sharp right turn now.
I don't think there's going to be any ice.
Proceed 2 miles on the current road to your destination.
Cool. Siren B. What the hell is this? Little bridge. How far? 1.4 miles. These are really nice roads to drive down. Main thing being there's no cars in front of you. Alright, Siren B. What is this one? Oh, this is in a primary school, this one. Half a mile. No one's around.
Your destination is ahead.
Looking for a primary school. Brayhead Primary School. Siren is ahead somewhere. you found it. I found it. It's not a CS8. It's something different.